are you doing, buddy?
I'm cooking something.
You're cooking something?
Orange.
Oh my, you are cooking something. Oranges. Are those good in the microwave?
No, not yet. Mommy, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet? How long till they're done?
I don't know.
You waiting for them?
Oh, one done.
One's done? Okay, you better check them.
They're working.
It's not working?
Eight.
8? Is that how long an orange takes to make?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, you should check it and see if it's ready.
Not yet. Not yet, Mommy. Not yet.
Okay. All right, well, you come and get Mommy when it's done, okay?